What's the meaning of abusively? Abusively. 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 The word abusively means in a way that is rude, offensive, or harmful. It can be used to describe someone's behavior, words, or actions. For example, you might say that someone is abusively yelling if they are shouting at someone in a loud and angry way. Or, you might say that someone is abusively using their power if they are using their power to hurt or control someone else. Here are some examples of how the word abusively can be used in a sentence. The man was abusively yelling at his wife. The teacher was abusively using her power to control her students. The dog was abused by his previous owner. It is important to note that the word abusively can have a very strong impact. If you are using it to describe someone's behavior, it is important to make sure that you are using it accurately.